Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am gonna review the beauty box from Birchbox, and this is the December one. So if you want to see what I have in this box, then keep on watching. So it actually arrived with this, so it was actually it was in another box, but this was, so it wasn't the actual normal Birchbox they'd send. So they have this cute pouch where you can have all the products in and just, you know, put it in. So let's see what we've got. This is how it opens. I do have the sheet in here, and let's see what we have. So again, they send 5 products like every month. Now in the December one, the first that I have, it's a lip product. So this is from Dr. Lip, and it's called Sweet Potato Tint Superfood. So this is a full size. It says this multi-use balm, so it's a lip balm, is 100% natural with ingredients such as lanolin, oil to moisturize, natural plant pigment, rich in antioxidants, and elderberry preservative to protect skin. Okay, that's good to know. Superfood Sweet Potato also gives this balm a gorgeous pink shade to add some color to your lips, cheeks, or eyes. Okay, so you use this. Oh, it says lip, cheeks, and eyelids, so you can use this on eyelids. I don't know if I'm gonna use this on my eyelids, to be honest. I'm really curious how this smells. So it's really thick, as you can see. It's a really cute balm, but again, I don't know if I'm gonna use this on the lids. I don't like sticky lids. Okay, next I have a brow product, and I think this is a sample size. It has 2 mils, and this is in the shade light medium. Now what this is called? This is from Modelco. I never heard about them. And it says more brow fiber, more brows. This is how it's called. Gel light medium. It retails for £13, the full size. Here you have your very own supermodel brows in a bottle. Okay, so in this mini one. This brush on fiber brow gel, it's sheer genius. Not only does it darken and define your arches, it also creates the appearance of fuller, bolder brows in just a few swipes. I have my brows down, but I'm really curious if I add this on top. Is any differences? So let me open this up, because it comes sealed. So it has some mini fibers, but this will be too light for me. We'll see if it works or not. Definitely it's good to fix your brows, which is fine because I do like the texture. So if you brush them like this up, apparently they're staying up, which is good. Not bad. It actually does its job. So I have no idea if I actually needed a more darker one, but this seems to work fine. But it does look nice. It's good. The next bit I have in here is a conditioner. So this thing in here, this is not a full size, so the only full size product I've got is actually this lip tint. Okay, so this says it's from Philip Kingsley, and it says it's a moisture balancing conditioner. Anyway, this says it's a combination conditioner. So I do have an oily scalp, but then the rest of the hair's quite dry. So I need something that it gives me enough moisture for my hair, but just keeps my scalp not really heavy. This says it can be difficult to find a conditioner that delivers long-lasting moisture. Okay, but this ultra hydrating formula from Philip Kingsley delivers moisture when needed most, at the mid-length and ends, as I mentioned. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it does smell really nice. It smells like a saloon type of when you go into a hairdresser, this is how I smell like. So yeah, it still seems really light. It's way too light for conditioner. That's interesting. I will see. Probably I'll give it a try. I don't know. Next product that I have from them, it's actually I think a body lotion. This is from Palmer's. By the way, I forgot to say this retails £20.50 the conditioner for the full size, and then for this one it's £4.29 the full size. This is from Palmer's, as I mentioned. So this is the cocoa butter formula body lotion. It says, if skin feeling extra dry as we move into the colder months, this body lotion will save the day. Is enriched with cocoa butter and vitamin E. It delivers luxurious, unparalleled hydration, leaving your skin silky, smooth, soft, and nourished. Okay. Lock in your skin's natural moisture by massaging in straight after the shower. I never used their products, but I did heard they're really good. And this smells really good, guys. The formula is really thick, and I think I will love it. Oh yeah, I think I will love this one. Formula is really thick, guys, and for winter that will be just perfect. It smells like cocoa. Watch out. It's really nice. I think I will love this. And it feels so hydrating, but not sticky at all, which I love. Yeah, I will try this next time, definitely. As I said, it is not sticky at all. It's not heavy. It's just a rich type of moisturizer, which is really, really good. So last but not least, I have a hand cream, and this is from L'Occitane. This, I think L'Occitane. I think I pronounced it correctly, but I know they're really good. I never use them, but I know there's so many good reviews about them. So this is a almond hand cream, and it says it's made with 94% natural original ingredients and enriched with almond milk and almond oil. This silky smooth cream helps to nourish and soften the hands while enveloping them the subtle and mouth-watering scent of fresh almonds. Okay. And then it says, did you know that L'Occitane actually has planted 15,000 almond trees, okay, in Provence, which they use especially for their almond collection. Okay, so they grow their own trees. That's really nice. Okay, so let's see. By the way, this retails for £16.50 and has 30 mils. Oh, really? It smells really nice, guys. I like the body lotion as well, but this one smells better. Oh, wow. It smells like almonds, but something fresh as well. Wow, this smells really nice. So this is for hand and nail. It smells delicious. I love it. And the formula, it's so soft, but it's not that heavy. Usually I'm avoiding hand creams because I don't know, I don't like my hands to be greasy, but this seems to be nice. I mean, I'm literally gonna hydrate my hands now with it because it does feel so nice and soft. So yes. Oh, the smell is just absolutely adorable. I love it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give her a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this every week. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care, guys. Bye.